Hi Elena, this is a little review of the video about coconut. So I played the first part of the video. I like it. Maybe this part is maybe not so, yeah, a bit long maybe. Yeah, this is so nice at the beginning to see the coconut. Maybe a little title uh, where it would say we could say just like we visit the farm of our farmer in Thailand of organic coconut. What is very special, also the title. You see, visiting a coconut farm, it's not just one coconut farm, like a coconut farm. It's the only or the very few organic certified coconuts in Thailand. There is not a lot of organic certified, and our farmer, so Liu, is organic certified. This is what is very special. So I think we should explain that in the title more clearly, show it more clearly, and also have a title at the beginning. And this view, yeah, when it moves, you see, it's not so nice. I found. Look at it again. So this part is okay, a little bit fast, but then it moves like this. The camera moves. Not so nice this view, but this one is good. This one is nice with the guy. This is a bit long for the beginning, I would say. I would remove that, start immediately to, yeah, yeah, here you have a title, yeah. I would put it right at the beginning to capture the attention of the viewers. I would put it in the middle and with maybe in white and the background maybe a bit darker.
Hi. Well, we're at one of our organic farms. So what do we do? So today,
Okay.
yes, and then the other one.
This is a bit dark. Those views are a bit dark and maybe a bit long.
Change of season to like harvest it, dump it in the water.
And yeah, the explanation that I think you will try to reduce the number of explanation, but she gives a lot of explanation. And what we should focus on, the really interesting explanation are that there is a lot of biodiversity in the farm, a lot of so no chemicals. There is like bees. These parts are interesting. The coconut is the people are well treated. The farmer has other trees in the farm like mangoes and things like that. So things related to nature, to quality of the product, um, to yeah some maybe interesting things for the viewers.
How it's how it's floating. Yeah.
This
With coconut from Thailand for so many years.
This I would not say.
We have never been in the farm.
I would cut when I say we have never been in the farm, but because it's quite long that we do, and it's actually not so sexy that we never have been in the farm of the coconut. Just this part, I would cut it. When I say that I've never been there. This is nice. Okay.
These house over there helps with pollination, so they have to open and really go like our group of people, like a group of like skilled people who know, like harvesters. They not only harvest.
Okay, so let me check. Yeah, I was not sure because this is like I don't know what you think, but this part, like this part where I explain, yeah, I'm Geoffrey from Jurassic Fruit. Maybe this should go at the beginning, just after the little introduction and the title. Maybe we should start right here, because then we understand where we are, what we do, and things like that. Or the one that you took, this one.
So today we have harvest, the harvest team.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe those two are a little bit similar. So I let you decide what to do. So now let me check again what we have. This is very long.
In a few minutes for the harvest of the coconut. Okay. Could you explain again why they have protection? No. Okay. It's easier to.
Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, this part, actually I thought this guy would open the coconut in a professional manner, but he was very bad actually. He put a lot of water of the coconut outside, so it was not so it's not interesting when he opens the coconut. I do it much better than him. That so it's not a really he's not a really professional. He does it really bad. So you can cut this part.
Organic. But this one is green and this one is white. What happened?
So maybe yeah, this part is interesting where we test, but maybe we should make it a little bit shorter. And maybe when she give the explanation that they cut the coconut, we can put some videos where we show we show the videos of the people who cut the coconut from green to the white coconut, so that we understand it better. And yeah, then it's okay. This part I would cut it actually, because it's also a little bit the same as the other one. And this actually these videos where she talked directly to the camera, I did it. I wanted to use it for separate videos for Google ads and Facebook ads. So I would like to do if you can cut it and just use and create like 2 or 3 other videos where she talk, and we can use that for Google ads. 3 version, I would say, 2 or 3 version, when she explained about the process. So it should be like for an ad we need between 1 minute or maybe also 45 seconds to 2 minutes maximum. She talk and we can illustrate with some nice videos. But this is another like other videos, so I would cut when she talk directly to the camera, because it's not really the same like the same kind of videos than the other where we discuss together. She at this point she talked directly to the camera. So this is another other videos or the other project, I would say. Okay, so this we can cut and keep it for something else. And then this we can also cut a lot of things here. So here what is interesting.
But like you can tell that it's like thicker than that. Yeah, like this. It's gang coconut.
Yeah, so what is really interesting, people want to see, is how they cut the coconut from green and then they remove the green husk, and then we have a white coconut. So this is really interesting to have some shots about that where we see precisely how they do it. This is very interesting for the people. And then is the final part where they put the coconut here in this process, in this water, the special treatment, which is organic certified. And this is the only farm in Thailand that is organic certified for these special treatments. All the other farm that we know, we visited, and we know there is no other farm that ship to Europe and have organic treatment like this. So this is really interesting to have the explanation that it's organic, it's safe to put in the coconut. And then this part is not so interesting. We can cut quite a lot of these. Oh, I don't know where we say here.
And then you put the sticker on.
Yeah, what is interesting also is to know that the plastic that is around the coconut is biodegradable. So it's like natural or ecological. Then the last part, we can just use that for illustration, but it's not so interesting to have all the details here. Yeah, it's a bit long, and we can
just like this, remove the
this is good to finish on these, I think. We can make it a bit shorter. And that's it. More or less, that's what I wanted to tell you. I hope this is not too long. Most important is this part. You can remove it. I don't know what you think, but I think this is not, that doesn't go so well with the rest of these videos. I would make separate videos for that, create ads especially for that, and the rest would be around 10 minutes to 13 minutes. I wouldn't do it more than 13 minutes, and 10 minutes would be the best, I think. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.